Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, authentic, beautiful stew right here. This is lamb stew. Okay, so this is how it looks. You see, got all the goodies in there. It's smelling really amazing. Yeah, so this is the stew. So thank you so much and stay tuned. As you can see here, I have a big lamb right here, guys. This lamb, and I'm with it. Whey a lamb. If you are trying to eat healthy lamb, it's a very good meat for you because it is very healthy. It doesn't have a lot of fat in it. Lamb and bison, yeah, the best so far. And also guys, as you can see here, this is my seasoning right here. Remember I told you about the seasoning? Yeah, this is what I have right here. So I'm going to use this to season my meat. You know, if you haven't seen the video, please go ahead and check it out. This is a very good seasoning, meat seasoning for any meats of your choice. So when you come here, I have some habanero, onion and celery here. And when you come here, I have this classic organic tomato sauce. Okay, with this sauce normally they use it for spaghetti, but I'm going to add it because it has a lot of herbs added to it, so that's why I'm going to use that. And as you look at here, I have peppers. So this is the sauce right here, it's all peppers. So you know the red, yellow, green peppers, this is what it is. So this one is actually cooked or baked and blended into, you know, a smooth or a puree texture. So this way you can use it to prepare your stew. You don't have to go to the stress or you know, those hassle. And this time around I'm using avocado oil. You know, avocado oil is very good for a high heat, you know, so for those who love making stews or who love preparing, frying your both fruits and stuff like that, I'm gonna recommend that you use avocado oil. I have my mixed spice with rosemary. I have OBAAPA spice right here. I have some onion. This is cayenne pepper, and this one also here is minced curry, and also I have basil, and this side is just salt. Okay, so this is very simple, and trust me, when we are done guys, you're gonna see absolutely delicious stew. Okay, so stay tuned guys and let's get cooking. Alright guys, so now I have my cutting board. So we are going to cut this meat right here. I know it's somehow frozen, but we are still gonna cut it. Alright guys, so now I have my meat all cut it into pieces. So I am going to season this meat. So I have my salt right here, so I'm going to add some to it, and of course I am going to use my homemade native seasoning. This is how it looks like, very delicious. So I'm gonna pour some in the lime, just like that. Now we're going to spice this lime right here. So use your hands, feel comfortable, and then season it. You know normally how people make meat, they season it, they cook it. So this is gonna be very different this time. Okay, but trust me, this lime is gonna taste very good. This is so simple. So we are a journey. I draw soon. Fancy the year be an party be about season away a season never bow ye promote me a day. Dear a season owner. So the bear on the bed, the bear come up. So now you see looks really yummy. Alright guys, so now we have our pan. We're going to place all the meat here, you know, and then we are going to bake it. So I have reheated my oven to 375 and I'm going to bake this lamb. Okay. Alright guys, so now I just turned my stove on. So right now our meat is in the oven, so we're just gonna start making the stew. Okay, so right now I am going to add my oil because the pot is nice and hot. And I'm gonna add my ginger and the garlic right here. Add the onion, pepper and celery. I'm just going to allow it to cook for about 20 minutes because this is going to take a little time in order to cook. So let's leave it on for about 20 minutes. Alright guys, so I think it's been 15 minutes so far. So as you can see, the onion is cooking really nice. I'm going to chip so sharp. So this is good. So right now I'm going to add the peppers. Okay. Alright, so guys, I'm going to add some of the seasonings. So I'm going to add my mixed spice right here. Give it a good stir. So since the peppers are cooked, so I'm just going to go ahead and add my the tomatoes. These tomatoes is spaghetti tomatoes, is packed with a lot of seasoning and a lot of flavor. So alright guys, so this stew is been cooking for about 25 minutes so far. So I am going to add some of the seasonings or the rest of the seasonings because it's almost done. The stew is looking yummy. So I'm going to add some salt. Remember, we did not add some salt yet. I'll add some salt. Now I want to add the rest of the seasonings right here. And then soon the meat is gonna go in very soon. Add the way I sent me see to know since a very camera. So right now I'm just gonna leave it on to cook for about 10 minutes and I'm gonna add my meat. Guys, you should see the meat. The meat is looking very good. It has baked to perfection. So yeah. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to show you how the lamb looks like. You see, this lamb is perfection. So I'm going to add all of it in the stew right here. So guys, you see, you don't have to fry this all the time. So you can just make, you know, your lamb and bake it. And always bake it because that way it's healthier. You can add it to your sauce. And I got some juice from the lamb. I am going to add it to the sauce as well. So this is looking very, very yummy. Very nice. So this is the juice right here. So I'm gonna add it to the stew. So right now I am going to add a little bit of beans right here, so green beans and some onion just to, you know, flavor it more. This is an option, but you know, it won't hurt. Alright guys, so our stew is finally done. As you can see, the lamb stew look beautiful. It's very tasty guys. You need to try this recipe. So I'm just gonna give it a little nice, beautiful attraction look. Okay, so as you can see, it's looking very yummy. With this stew, you can enjoy with your basmati rice, or you can even eat with yam, or you know, taro, cocoa, cocoa. You can eat with a lot of stuff right here. As you can see, this stew looks very beautiful. And if you like more spice, you can add more pepper of your choice. Okay, you know, just to get more flavor. And trust me, I hope one maybe start stew ya or many bear day. This stew is looking very delicious. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, you can eat this with your yam or rice, you know, or you can serve it like in the party, wherever you want to make this stew. This is for you. Smelling this so guys, I can't wait to dip into this stew and eat it. Now, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and give me positive comment if you like this video. Bye guys.